This lecture. Today we are study or discuss about the cardiovascular drug. Okay. See definition of cardiovascular drug. So these agents which are extend their action. Okay. These agents which extend their action on heart or blood vessels to modify cardiac output or distribution of blood certain portion of circulatory system. That agent or that drug is known as cardiovascular drug. Okay. So what is effect? If they are extend the action on on which tissue or on which body part? Heart and blood vessel. How they act? So they modified the cardiac output or the distribution of blood. Okay. So first cardiovascular done they are done extend their action and on which tissue? Heart and blood, for purpose to modify cardiac output or the distribution of blood or certain portion of circulatory system. That agent is known as the cardiovascular drugs. Okay, next classification of cardiovascular drug. So it contains seven class. First one, cardiotonic drugs, or it is also known as glycoside, cardiac glycosides. Example, digoxin and the digitoxin. Okay. Second class, anti-arrhythmic agent. Example, quinidine and procainamide. Third one, antihypertensive agent. Example, methyldopa and reserpine. Fourth class, vasodilator. Example, ethyl nitrite, glyceryl trinitrate. Next class, antihyperlipidemic agent, or it is known as the lipid lowering agent. Example, clofibrate and the nicotinic acid. Next class, anticoagulants. In that example, warfarin. Last class, diuretics. Example, furosemide and hydrochlorothiazide. We are already discussed about the diuretics. Okay. So let's see. We are see each class one by one. Okay. So first class, cardiotonic drug or cardiac glycoside. So the drug which increase the force of muscle contraction of heart without increasing its oxygen consumption are called as cardiotonic drugs or the cardiac glycoside. It hydrolysis gives sugar or a glycon part, or also known as non-sugar part. Okay. So a glycon part, it is steroidal nucleus which linked with the glycosidically with the sugar moiety. Okay. So uses of cardiotonic drug or cardiac glycoside. CHF means congestive heart failure, cardiac arrhythmia, atrial fibrillation, and atrial flutter. Okay, so it is the cardiotonic drug is used for this. Next part, examples of cardiotonics. See, first a drug, that is the digitoxin. So it is obtained from suitable places of digitalis, that known as the digitalis perfluea. Okay. It contains two parts, that is sugar and non-sugar, or sugar or a glycon part. Sugar compound part name as the digitoxase, and a glycon part it is known as the digitoxygenine. Okay, digitoxygenine. So see the properties. It is a crystalline powder. Also, it is colorless, odorless. It is insoluble in water and the soluble in alcohol. Also, when it is hydrolyzed, it gives a glycon, digitoxin, and the three molecules of detoxicase. Okay, three molecules of digitoxicase. Uses, it is used as a cardiotonic. It is used to treat congestive heart failure. Also, it is used to treat atrial fibrillation. Okay. Uh, Pharmaceutical formulation or dosage form. So here two doses form from digitoxin injection and digitoxin tablet. Okay. Brand name Digimerc and the Digitox. Okay. So digitoxin is important as per your exam. Next compound digoxin. Okay. Digoxin, it is obtained from leaves of Digitalis lanta. Okay. It is used for Digitalis lanata. It contains sugar molecule D-digitoxase and a glycan part digoxin okay, digoxin. Properties, it is white crystalline powder, odorless, insoluble in water and soluble in alcohol. And when it hydrolyzes, it gives digoxin and the three molecules of D-digitoxase. Okay. Uses, same as a digitoxin. Digoxin uses cardiotonic, CHF, congestive heart failure, atrial fibrillation. Okay, fibrillation. Dosage form or pharmaceutical formulation: digoxin tablet, digoxin injection, digoxin elixir. Okay. Brand name Lanacardin and the cardigozine. Okay, Lanacardin and the cardigozine. Next compound from class cardiac glycoside. So source, first example, that is digitoxin. It is extracted from Akra. Gitoxin, it is extracted from Digitalis purpura with water and and that residue obtained from Digitalis purpura. Okay, that residue is known as the gitalin. Okay, and that gitalin contain digitoxin and digoxin. Okay, so gitalin having composition of digitoxin, digoxin and the gitoxin. Okay, it contains sugar part D-digitoxase and the non-sugar or aglycan part detoxagenin. Okay, getoxagenin. Properties, it is white to pale buff amorphous powder. It is soluble in water and the alcohol. And same when it is hydrolyzed with when it is hydrolyzed, it gives the getoxin and the three molecules of digitoxase. Uses cardiotonic, congestive heart failure, atrial fibrillation. Pharmaceutical formulation or dosage form: getoxin tablet. Okay, only one pharmaceutical formulation. Brand name Dinocard. Okay. Last drug from the cardiac glycoside, Oaben. It is obtained from seeds from the Streptophanthus gratus. Sugar part L-rhamnose and the aglycon part oabagenin. Okay, oabagenin. Properties: it is colorless, white crystalline powder, and the odorless. Uses same as the digitoxin, like cardiotonics, congestive heart failure, and the arterial fibrillation. Pharmaceutical formulation or dosage form: Oaben injection, and the brand name Strodevile. Okay, Strodevile. Devile. Okay, put your roll number on chat box for presenting. We can stop here. Thank you.